printing ABS. This is JO ABS filament, and to be honest it works really well in my Bambu P1S. Selecting the file I want to use. In this case it's a box for my Rode microphone. I'm going to print it in ABS. The file I'm using is freely available on Bambu's Maker World, so just search if you need to find the file.
Plastic threads, they melt and bind, layers stacking in a crooked line. Heat and pressure twist the air, creation born from sparks that flare.
Change the settings to inner and outer brim, which is very important so the print doesn't lift in the corners. And change object brim gap to 0. The default is 0.1, but it needs to be on 0. I use normal support tree type set to auto, as I find that works best for my projects. And basically that's all I do, so I just click slice plate when I'm ready to start the print. As you can see in the slicer settings, it has now put an inner and outer brim around my project, which will help stop it lifting, as ABS can be a nightmare with shrinkage and lifting on the corners. And then I just click on print plate, make sure ABS filament is selected, which it is, and then just send it to the printer. Just using the default settings in the slicer for ABS filament, nothing else changed. One thing very important when printing ABS is make sure you have a brim, because the problem with ABS prints is that it shrinks and warps very easily, but I find using a brim I don't get a problem with that. One thing also very important when printing ABS is to make sure your enclosure is closed, because airflow can also affect the print quality. Printing absolutely great with ABS. Just make sure the enclosure is fully enclosed and that you have a good brim to stop any warpage and lifting. If you have any questions or comments or advice for me, please leave them in the comments below. I read every comment left and I will do my best to answer them. The print is just finished. Everything looks great, no lifting or warping that I can see, so let's take a look. Perfectly stuck to the plate. Perfectly printed in ABS. Just remove the brim, which is a must. Absolutely zero warping. Lid fits perfectly. Nice ABS print for my Rode wireless microphone setup. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments and I will do my best to answer them. Leave a like if you liked the video or a dislike if you didn't, and please subscribe. Thank you.